Hey friends, Mark Holmes here, and as always, thank you guys for watching, commenting, and subscribing to the Joe Blue Sports Report. Without you guys, this does not work. I'm a grown-ass man, and I'll admit when I'm wrong. I thought the Green Bay Packers were overrated. Hats off to the Green Bay Packers for doing something they've continued to keep doing to the Dallas Cowboys, and that is owning the damn place. I could point out that we got wide receivers getting molested down the field and not getting called. I could talk about referees throwing flags after they screw up a call because our coach cussed. I could say that. I could talk about Dak Prescott throwing interceptions. I could talk about Cam Fleming not being able to block well. I could talk about Zeke Elliott not getting 100 yards because he only got, 12 carries? I could talk about the defense that held Aaron Rodgers under 250 yards passing, but could not stop the running back. I could talk about the kicker who missed 2 kicks. Talk about other calls that were questionable. But you know what? I'm not going to talk about all that. The Green Bay Packers won. They came in, they pounded us, they did what they needed to do, they had some things go their way, and they get the victory. They're 4-1, and we're 3-2. The thing I find amazing is, one thing I always try to say, I always tell you, win, lose, or draw, I will be here for my Cowboys, about my Cowboys. I'm going to pound my chest when we win. I'm going to eat crow when we lose, because I'm a grown-ass man. Turn that down a little bit, because it's a little bit bright there on me. But one thing I can't stand is fair weather fans. You know, you get trolls out there, and I probably shouldn't say anything about it because it'll probably get them to go more. But see, Cowboys are 3-2. We got 2 victories in our division. We got the Jets next week. You get a win next week, you're 4-2. That ain't bad. You got the Eagles, which if you win that game, hey, you're in the driver's seat. And then you got the Giants right there. So we have fair weather fans that are, the season is done, it's over with. We have people that are up here when we win. When we lose, oh, I'm done with this team. And it's woe is me, it's the worst thing in the world. And I can't stand that. Either be a fan and support them or don't. I don't care which one, just pick a side. But the ones that drive me crazy is the people who want to pile on when they ain't got nothing to cheer about them damn selves. Or Falcon Troll sending me, your team sucks, you can't beat teams with winning records, get back to me when you do. Didn't your Falcons just get lit up with, like, the Texans score like 50 points on your ass? Aren't you guys like 1-4? Those who live in glass houses need to shut the fuck up. Get back to me when you guys have a winning record. How about that? And don't give me the stuff that my quarterback sucks, because look what your quarterback has for the last few years. Sanu, Julio Jones, highest paid receiver in the NFL. Yet, Your team was just in the Super Bowl choking 3 years ago. I believe they've had a losing record last year, and I believe my Cowboys kicked your ass in your stadium. So you might want to just be quiet. Eagle fans, hey, it's all good. You got the victory over the Jets. But I noticed your quarterback got hit quite a few times by the Jets. You might not want to let that happen too much. And I guess the Giant fans, those cockroaches will go back in hiding since they lost to Kirk Cousins. Okay, Redskins. Do I need to say anything? It hurts. It bothers me. But here's what I will say. When you're down 31-3, when it seems like your line's not blocking as good as they should, your running back's not going well, your receivers are dropping passes, and you've got officials that are calling stuff against you. When everything goes wrong, it's easy to say, you know what? Pack this shit up. We don't have it today. Let's start all over. We're done. They got us. But the thing that I liked seeing was those guys fought. It was a little too late, but they gave everything they had. They kept swinging, they kept pushing, they kept trying, and they got it close. And I know that's not much. Moral victories don't count when it comes to playoffs. But when you can dig deep when everything is going against you, you'll go far. You can call me an idiot. I know I'm going to be listening to the trolls. I know the Eagle fans are out having a ball and everything else. But just remember, he who laughs last, laughs the loudest. I'm not ready to give up on this team. No more than I was last year when all of you people kept coming around saying, say it, Dak Prescott sucks. Admit your quarterback stinks. Cowboys are terrible. They need to fire everybody. Your team is nothing. You're garbage. And I didn't stop believing. A lot of people did. I didn't. I told you guys. I told you when we were 3-0 that we're going to go through some bad patches. There's going to be ups and downs. You're going to have some good games. You're going to have some bad ones. You're going to lose some ones that you shouldn't. And you're going to win some ones that you shouldn't have. That, in a nutshell, is the NFL. Right now, Pat Mahomes and the Colts tied at 10. It's a long-ass season. Be mad. Be upset. Be angry. Don't give up hope. So like I said, bring it. I'm a grown-ass man. I can take everything that you guys dish out. I got to be out of here early in the morning. So I'm going to take these old-ass bones to bed. And believe me, I'll read all the comments from all you trolls out there. I'm Mark Holmes, and well, not the day that I wanted, but it's the day that we got. Damn you, Jason Garrett. Fuck, 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 fuck. Hate them referees. Shit. Damn. 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 Damn.